Hey guys, Tom Spall here, Instructional Technology Specialist for Brendan Massey. What I'm doing today is with this blog post, I am showing you in an instructional way how you can make flipped classroom videos. This is great for when you need to use your smartboard and smart tools and do a lesson and have your students watch it at home if they're not available, or to rewatch it if you're going to reteach the lesson or you want them to follow along and check it out again. So it's great for doing that. It's also great for making videos for like centers or for stations that you want your students to go to. You can do any kind of math problems or writing assignments or anything like that. What's good about using Screencast-O-Matic, which is recording my screen, your smartboard, and a headset, is it's really easy to do math problems. It's also great for science and stuff like that, but it works best for math because you can write out your problems and do things like that. If you have access to an iPad, another great tool is Educreation. That's a great tool to be able to make flipped lessons and share that out with your students or staff if you're doing flipped classroom, flip faculty meetings and stuff like that. So let me show you how this works. So right now I have Smart Notebook open up on my computer screen. I also am recording with Screencast-O-Matic, the paid version. They do have a free version. They do have a paid version, which is not that expensive. It's pretty cheap. Our district bought a bunch of licenses for the paid version, and we have been giving those out to teachers on a come and ask kind of basis. So it works great for doing these flipped classroom videos. This is a inexpensive headset that we have. It's pretty easy to just go buy one. You can use the mic on your computer if your computer comes with one. That works really well. You can also use a headset like this, or like an external microphone that will pick up your sound just fine. So the way this works is I'm actually going to make my size of my screen full screen, so I have the whole area to work with. With Screencast-O-Matic, you have a couple options. You can record just you using your webcam. You can record just the screen, or you can record you and the screen. The reason I like to do this instructionally is because I can see myself in the lower corner of the screen, and the students can see me too. So if I have to hold up math manipulatives, or if I talk a lot with my hands, as you can see, so do a lot of other teachers, and they want to see them teaching and doing that lesson. Kind of critique themselves, but also give that feedback to the students as they're teaching their lesson if the student watches the video later on. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do like a mini lesson up here. So I have the marker, and I'm just going to do a problem up on the board. So let's do like 44 plus 20. We'll just make this an easy one. So as you can see, I'm doing the problem on the board. You can have your whole entire Smart Notebook lesson planned out. You could actually do this not just with Smart Notebook, but you could do this with any kind of website you wanted to go to and you wanted to make a flipped classroom video. You could be doing this with anything Google, Google Presentation or Google Draw, stuff like that. I'm just using the Smart Notebook because I think it's a easy software to use, and all our teachers have it in the classroom, so it's pretty easy. So I'll just finish this problem. 4, 4, 5, 6, 64. So I added the ones column first, and then I added the tens column. And you can talk and say all the problems and do anything you want, but you're also recording your screen at the same time. So this is just one way how you can make your flipped classroom videos. If I want to go to the next screen, I just click here and I go to the next screen. And I can, again, have this all made the night before, the morning of. I have seen some teachers that will do this kind of lesson in the moment of the classroom. So they'll have their Smart Notebook all ready to go. They bring it up. All the kids are sitting there ready to learn the lesson of the day, and what they do is they turn on Screencast-O-Matic and they're good to go, and they can record their lessons as they're working through the problems. What's nice also about Screencast-O-Matic is it's saved to your desktop, so you can do any kind of your desktop functions that you have, any of the apps or tools that you use on your desktop. What's also neat about that is you can save all these videos to your desktop, and you can also easily upload to your Google Drive. In our district, we are actually blocked on YouTube for our students to watch anything, and so we like to upload all our created flip videos to Drive, share settings, anyone with the link can view, and that's how the teachers share those out to the students. So it's nice being able to incorporate that way of sharing those videos. So what's also neat, another cool bonus tip, is making animated GIFs using this. And so with Screencast-O-Matic, you can save your finished products as an MP4, which is a audio and video combined, or you can actually save it as a GIF. So in the next little segment, in the next video below this, I'm going to show you how to turn your work right here into an animated GIF. So just stay tuned.